Hey, what's happening guys? Mike Moo here. Today we're going to unbox the OBSBot tail. This is a Kickstarter project that actually just went live and you can actually get this right now. I have a link down below to my Amazon affiliate link. All right, so this is an AI powered camera and this was a Kickstarter project that came all the way from Hong Kong and is now live in production. This is supposedly the final production model. It is special because it has AI tracking, has a lot of intelligence in there in order to figure out how to track objects and also to figure out some of the best composition. And it features hand gestures as well, power composition, kind of similar to what DJI Mavic has done for their series of drones. All right, so it says here, feel the magic of AI camera, which obviously AI is standing for artificial intelligence. And let's take a look and see what we have inside, including a quick start guide, all in black, product overview. This seems like a pretty nice little manual. And this records in 4K up to 60 frames per second. It uses a 1/2.3 imaging type sensor, which is very similar in size to the DJI Osmo and DJI Osmo Pocket. So it's not a really large sensor. But what is special about this in particular is that it has a 360-degree rotation along with a zoom lens produced by Hoya with aspherical lenses in there. So for those of you guys that don't know Hoya, they're actually well known for a lot of their filters and I guess in their optics. So as you can see inside, we have the auto director camera, micro SD card, I believe it's 32 gigabyte. It has USB Type-C cable, quick start guard, and warranty card. 3.5 times optical zoom, very similar to the DJI Osmo Plus. 4K 60 frames per second and 240 frames per second. 12 megapixel total camera resolution and a 1850 milliamp hour capacity battery. So this is really great for the one-man type of shows like what I do over here on YouTube, where I kind of do this basically on the side. I don't have a real professional environment, and sometimes when I can't control the camera, of course, you will often see me having to fuss with it, especially when I do a lot of stuff live. So picking this up, I have to say that this is the black model. It comes in two different colors at this point, which is this one. This is kind of like a silver dark gray. I really like it. Reminds me of a nice space gray. Fit and finish looks pretty good. And it kind of semi-locks in place on one side. And of course, this has the full 360-degree angle that allows you to go ahead and capture everything around you, along with a smartphone app that allows you to go ahead and track subjects. Of course, there's full-on gesture control, which is kind of neat, but I won't really know how that works out until I get a chance to try this out. So here you go. This is the OBSBot tail auto director. Comes with a decently nice case. Now, something similar to this that I've been using has been the Mevo, and they have a Mevo Live, and that itself, of course, is a 4K sensor, also really small sensor, but it only outputs in 720p, and it has some smart capabilities and functions. This, however, has a lot more under the hood. If you look at the Kickstarter video, I'll have a link down below. It claims to have so much more processing power, which is what allows it to track subjects and objects very well at a really nice distance. Okay, so looks like they only give you a USB-C cable here. And of course, there was no power adapter that was included. Obviously, if you back this over on Kickstarter, you might have got some other extras. I saw one that allows you to go ahead and mount this to your chest. This seems a little bit big to be mounting on the chest, and also a little bit big to be somewhat of a selfie type of camera. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and try these features out over the next coming weeks, and I'll let you know what I think, and we'll definitely let you know whether or not I recommend this and who I recommend it for. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, and I will catch you in the next video. If you want to see anything in particular that isn't already covered by other videos, that's kind of what I like to do. Please comment down below, let me know, and I'll put it through the full-on test. And if you are interested in getting this once again, I'll have links down below on where I got this over on Amazon.com. You can go and get one for yourself and try it out as well. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.